In relation to TB screening, we have done a 4S.
Your dedication reflects the spirit of service.
To judge anyone, but to understand that the stigma.
I urge the people of the state to please.
Yes, when I come to know my status, it is shocking.
But almost staying here as a permanent resident for the past 25 years.
Memorial. Program. Can we ask somebody from Myntri ID? Book of positive people.
To work together, to unite. And because this is not possible if you are only expecting from Max or from the government. So we have to work hand in hand for this. Because a state is like a body. If one part is infected, then it's going to spread to the whole body. So that's why we have to work jointly. And like already mentioned by our Principal Secretary, the government is fully aware of this. And that's why we are coming up with a mission mode, a 5-year mission mode plan, where we'll be increasing the more number of the testing center, more number of the treatment center, that is the ART. And for this 5 years, we have also, apart from the support given from the National Aid Control Organization, the state of government will spend another 25 crore plus in order to see that more treatment center and more testing center will come up. And a part of that, there will be a push, more push on giving awareness. Because awareness is very important. And it's so sad to know that till now there are so many people, they don't know that there is a treatment for HIV. Which is free of cost, very effective. If you come forward and get your treatment, then you can live a normal life, a dignified life, like a living testament like our president and his Mrs. standing here, 18 years. And when I look at him, he will live much longer. So this is a living testament that if you come forward, get yourself treated, you can live a normal life. So through this platform, I appeal to people living with HIV. Please come forward. We know there is quite a number of concern from your end. We'll really love to hear it, and we'll see and we'll try to help you in many ways. And we know that privacy is one of the concerns right now. And that also will definitely look after it. We will be discussing with Max. So very soon we will coming up that to see that the privacy of the people living with HIV will be maintained, and they will get easy accessible treatment from the department. So the effort is still there, but like I said, it will never be possible if you are expecting only from the government or Max or from the organization, but we have to work it together in order to fight this dreaded disease, which is today, like all others have mentioned, and I also would like to again declare it that HIV is not a death sentence. There is a way of treatment, and you can live a normal life.